Ellarigu namaskara. Namaste to all. In the present video, we are going to focus on the three words, which is in the future what we use it. Irutte, it will be there. Irutta, will it be there? Irodilla, it won't be there. Okay, irodilla. But negations, for example, irodilla or illa or irlilla, all the negations we use not only for the things and animals and feelings, but we use it for even people also. Remember, okay. So, but irutte and irutta we use only for the things, animals, and feelings, and maybe for about the classes, about the school, college, whatever it is, you can actually use it. Okay. So, irutte. I'm actually having the conversation between me and my daughter. I'm asking her, saying that, Kushala, ನಾಳೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? Will college be there tomorrow? She would say, ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. Yes, daddy, it will be there. Okay, ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And I'm asking her, ಕುಶಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? Will the music class be there tomorrow? ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಪ. Yes, daddy, it will be there. Okay, and I'm asking her, ಕುಶಲ, ನಾಳೆ maybe ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? Will the dance class be there? Irutta. Irutte appa. It will be there, daddy. But if she has to say, it won't be there. How she has to say? Irodilla appa. Irodilla. Assume I am having the conversation with one of my Kannada student, and he is actually asking me in the Saturday evening. He is actually asking me, saying that, sir, naale Kannada class irutta. That means, sir, is the will Kannada class be there tomorrow? That means what? It's a Sunday evening he's talking about. But Sunday evening, no class. We have one class on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. The other one batch is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. But I should tell him, no, it won't be there. How should I tell? Irodilla. Naale class irodilla. No, it won't be there. Irodilla. We can even say iralla. I-R-A-L-L-A. I-R-A-L-L-A. Or that is ir plus alla or ir plus odilla. Irodilla or iralla we use for the same concept. It won't be there. It won't be there. Okay. And someone asked me, sir, nale music class irutta? One of my music student asked me. Then I would say, nale irodilla. Nale class irodilla. Tomorrow there will not be class. Okay. Somvara irutte. That means Monday it will be there. Okay. And if at all Kannada student asked me, saying that, sir, ನಾಳೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? then I should tell, ನಾಳೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ or ನಾಳೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. that means Tuesday it will be there. It will be there. ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I hope by now you got the concept actually. These three words. One is ಇರುತ್ತೆ and ಇರುತ್ತಾ and ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ or ಇರಲ್ಲ. And also we focused on the what? Ittu and itta and irlilla. And three more words what we actually focused today is ide and idiya and illa. Agree? I hope you got it. So if at all you like, the content is good. If at all you like, this is useful for your conversation, for learning the spoken Kannada, please subscribe our channel and also please inform to all your friends. Please do write your valuable comment also, that will motivate me. Ellarigu namaskara. Namaste to all. Jai Hind.